Welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber and this is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this absolutely beautiful style from Ellen Wille, and this is for wigs.com. Now this is from the Modixx Hair Energy Collection by Ellen Wille, and this is Arya Mono Part. This color is Nut Multi-Shaded. The code for that is 830.26.27. Now this is a really fun, natural looking wig to me, and I love this brunette shade. So let's talk about this color and then we'll move on to the wig style. So Nut Multi-Shaded is your medium brown base. That's what you have going on here, is a medium brown base with light golden blonde highlights. It is so gorgeous with these light golden blonde highlights, as you can see. Can you see those? Oh, they're so pretty, so luscious. And then what you have is light auburn lowlights. I feel like the combination of the light auburn lowlights and the blonde highlights is just so gorgeous with the brown, the brunettes. It's just so beautiful. So if you're looking for a brunette shade with some lowlights, some highlights, some warmth, some dimension, you might really love the Nut Multi-Shaded by Ellen Wille. Okay, so let's talk about Arya. What are we looking at with this Arya wig? What are you guys thinking of this Arya wig at first glance? At first glance, I just thought, oh, well, she looks natural. I love the mid-length. It hits a little bit below the collarbone, and the loose, wavy curls are very natural looking to me. Now, this is a synthetic lace front monofilament part wig. So you do have the option to pull away from the face and, you know, part it on that side, of course. You can have it more front and side swept if you wish, but I do love the versatility of that lace front. Let's take a closer look of that lace front. It looks really good, in my opinion. And then here is that monofilament part. We'll take a closer look at the cap construction when I pull this wig off. This definitely has this natural, loose, curly wave. I wouldn't say this has like a beachy wave, but almost like you had your hair curled and over time the curls relaxed. And I really love that look. I feel like it just has a very effortless, very natural appearance. Let's do a full turnaround so you guys can see this beautiful style, the layers and the waves from all angles. Now this style is described as long. For me, this is like mid-length long because I definitely have tried longer styles, but it is a fantastic length because you can, you know, put it in a little ponytail, you can pull it up, half up, you can pull it away from the face, you could put pigtails in it, braids, whatever you'd like to do, because it does have a fantastic length, but it's not so long that it's getting in the way. Now, as I did pull it back in a ponytail, I did realize it does have a very nice light density, but because of these gorgeous waves, it gives the appearance of, you know, extra bulk and volume, but it really does feel nice and light. So that is nice as well. The total weight of this beautiful Arya wig is 4.3 ounces. They describe the density of this wig as light, and I would agree. Even though it does have kind of a voluminous look because of the wave and the texture. The cap size is petite average. I feel like this wig fits me like an average wig. I wear average in the majority of wig brands, and this fits me really well from front to nape and side to side. So although they do describe Ellen Wille wigs as petite average, I feel like this fits me like an average wig. Now this is synthetic fiber. You do want to be mindful of ovens, heat tools, and different things like that. The fiber can melt and singe, so do be careful of that. This is not heat friendly. Now this fiber does look fantastic straight out of the box. Like, I just barely pulled this straight out of the box and look how fantastic this looks. Some fibers straight out of the box can have a very strong sheen. They might need a lot of you know, toning down that sheen. And I feel like these beautiful Ellen Wille fibers look and feel like natural hair. They look beautiful. All right, let's take this Arya wig off and show you guys the underside. Now what you have is this gorgeous extended lace front. This is individually hand tied. You can pull the hair away from the face, and as you can see clearly, they have that lighter color up at the front hairline. That just makes it nice because it makes those knots lighter. I do like that. And of course, it's quite popular to have that lighter color right up front, have that money piece. It just, you know, highlights that face, you know, adds to the layers that frame the face. I just love the lighter highlights right up front, and it's nice when they do that on that front lace line. You have that part. This is also individually hand tied. It's meant to look like natural hair growth. Here's a view of that underside. Now this left monofilament part is not super duper thin, so you might be able to move it to the left or right slightly, but essentially this is your left part, and it looks fantastic. Now you do have a little bit of closed wefting on the side of that left part. Under that closed wefting, you have a slight amount of permatease within those wefts. That gives this gorgeous Arya wig a little bit of lift on that side and helps you know, kind of camouflage the base materials. I think it just adds to the lift and volume just slightly right up there in the crown. And look at that. You can definitely see the dimension of color within this beautiful brunette shade up close. It looks so beautiful, that nut multi-shaded. You can see, oh my goodness, those different lowlights, highlights with that base color. It is absolutely beautiful. Take a look at the waves, very loose, relaxed curls is what I think it looks like. It looks like you barrel curled the hair and then it just relaxed throughout the day. It looks so loose and natural looking, just lovely. Now the rest of this cap construction is open wefted. That's nice and breathable. You have great air ventilation, and then you have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire and a nice velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Okay, let's put Arya back on. All right, so the front of Arya is 11.5 inches. Your crown is 9 inches. The sides are 10 inches. And your nape on this beautiful Arya wig is 11 inches. What do you guys think about this absolutely beautiful, lush, dynamic color? I really love this brunette shade. In fact, I always wore brunette prior to getting into other colors, blondes and stuff, when I first started wearing alternative hair. And I think that this definitely would have been a go-to color for me. It still is a go-to color, but I think that initially when I first started wearing alternative hair, I would have been like, that is the color, because it gives me, you know, the brunette that I gravitated to, but it also allowed me to, you know, branch out into additional colors with the blonde highlights and the other tones as well. It's very warm and rich if you're looking for something warm and fun for the holidays, for the winter months. It's just a very beautiful, warm, rich color. So anyway, love the color. Again, that is nut multi-shaded, and this is the Arya wig from the Modixx, I hope I'm saying that correct, collection by Ellen Wille, and this is from Wigs.com. You can get a discount at Wigs.com. I will have that code down below. I will have links to this here style down below. Please go follow Wigs.com on their social media platform. Don't forget to sign up for the newsletter at Wigs.com so they can inform you of any special deals or promos that are going on. Anyway, I want to thank Wigs.com for the opportunity to share this beautiful Ellen Wille style with you guys today. And let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about this lovely style. And if this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I appreciate you guys for watching, for stopping by. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.